Here's a postcard we made in an earlier tutorial. Let's select all three of these layers and make a smart object from them. We can now go into Free Transform and let's make it smaller. We'll rotate it around and hold Command or Control as we drag each of the corner points to make it look as if it's lying on the table in perspective. And hit Enter. To make the shadow, hold Command or Control and click on the layer's thumbnail in the Layers panel. We'll make a new layer and we'll call it Shadow. And let's feather this selection by about 8 pixels. Fill the selection with the foreground color using Option or Alt and Backspace. Deselect and move it behind our original layer and drag it down a bit. And let's reduce the opacity to 50% by pressing 5 on our keyboard. Back on our smart object, we can go back into Free Transform, switch to Warp mode, and now we can curl up the corners. And because we made the shadow first, before we curled the corners, the shadow remains straight on the table, and that accentuates the distance between the object and the table. And let's hit Enter to apply that transformation. Because it's a smart object, we can double-click it, it'll open in a new window, and we can paste in a different picture. Let's hide the original picture, change the mode of this one from normal to overlay. Now when we save the file and close this window, there's our new picture distorted in place on our smart object. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.